Kadi kesin ke benengkong ya ka soka jela bukan pelong ya ke jingang kenhun menteri ni kabinet hapo pelau kan nan pelok mentaka sengi ke apu henry tarik unai weng japsan ke soka Mikaya Democratic Alliance 2 hapo ke jingala menterang ba Conrad ke sangma kala pelong ya ke jingala ke kabinet hanan pelok bajulong hapo sekretariat ni hagiwe jaka hapo yeng syuai ke ni aju pelong ro ya jingala ke kabinet juai sora batura tangba kadai hapo yeng terang ba olong ba kajing pelong ni ke kabinet hanan pelok kalong ke Kyrpang namar ba kadai ke jaka ke bakongsan batap dagi ding cherry blossom bat kiwe kita masa ro la pelong harani ke jaka kumba literary festival ke sikut sien ula ong ba kande ke jaka kalong ro ban mat ya gal el pengat kata masa syua ban wan ke ayom Christmas ke ban long harani ke jaka bat kadai ke Kyrpang ke basimpor hadu sau kenta bat lasim hadu kan lasim ya kirai hadu kan ro teli.
So, very good afternoon to all the members of the press fraternity. We had a very special cabinet meeting today. As you can see that we are here in Watts Lake, and this is the venue of the program that we had for the Japanese arena during the cherry blossom, which continued into the Lit Fest, which will continue into other aspects of our own culture and tradition, which will be showcased in the next couple of weeks, moving forward into Christmas. And therefore, we thought that it's most appropriate to have a cabinet meeting right here in this venue to overall get a feel of the entire festival, and at the same time allow the cabinet itself also to be part of this entire festivals and the programs that we're having. So it's a very special cabinet. It's also special because it was quite long. So we were almost here for 4 hours.